Hi, have you ever wanted to give your text look? So, come with me. First, select T from left toolbar. Now, on your video, select any part you wanted in the program bar. Type a text. Using selection tools and fix the size. Now it's time to add an attractive effect to your writing. Search Alpha Glow and choose Drag It and leave on the text. You can see that the brightness has been added to the text. From the Effect Control toolbar, you can give any effect you want to your text and even change the color of the text as your wish. Now let's see the result of this edit. Tell us the next requested video in the comments.